Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to change your Google Chrome background, including how this can affect the overall color scheme of your browser interface. This not only adds a personal touch, but also can enhance your overall browsing experience with colors that suit your style. Let's get started. Begin by opening a new tab in Google Chrome to access the default New Tab page. Click on the Customize button in the bottom right corner of the New Tab page. This button looks like a pencil icon. In the Customization menu, head over to the Change Theme section. You have two main options here: choosing an image from Google's collection or uploading your own. Browse through the available categories like landscapes, art, or solid colors. Selecting one of these images can automatically suggest and change the color theme of your browser to complement the chosen background. If you prefer a more personal touch, click on Upload from Device to use your own picture. This won't automatically suggest a new color scheme, but you can manually adjust the colors in the next steps. After selecting or uploading your background, navigate to this section in the Customization menu. Here, you can set the mode to light, dark, or according to your device's settings. I'm choosing dark mode. Here in this section, you can choose a color scheme that matches your new background or suits your preference. Google Chrome offers a variety of preset color themes, or you can create a custom theme by selecting the color you want for the browser's toolbar and tabs. Besides changing the background, you can also customize the shortcuts and the overall theme of your Chrome browser from the same customization menu. Feel free to explore these options to further tailor your browsing experience. Close the customization menu. You don't need to take any action to apply, it will apply immediately. And that's it. By changing your Google Chrome background and adjusting the color scheme, you create a more personalized and visually appealing browsing environment. Whether you're going for a consistent look or just want your favorite photo as a backdrop, these changes can make a big difference in how you interact with Chrome. Enjoy your customized browser.